Welcome back to another bad testing video. The late night session, live markets, poo poo, for daily buys, not daily buys, bad testing markets, poo poo as well, not moving good at all. Yeah, simple as that. So this next channel is open. So this channel is currently very bad price section. Okay, which is the only open gap is right here. And honestly, let's see what we do. Okay. Okay. Manipulated lower. Let's see if we swept anything. Okay, we swept all these lows. Okay. 1 minute. Okay. Looks good. Okay. Pretty self-explanatory as to why this trade looks good. Let's see, we get a quick little 1 to 2. Place order. And yeah, it doesn't wanna fill me in. So yeah. So let's see, we have S&T at these highs. I don't know what these highs even are. Should be this hourly dap, but hourly dap. Okay, so we have S&T at these highs. So let's start to this first. Okay, so we're currently moving to the downside pretty quickly. S&T at these highs. Okay. Good reaction to the downside. 1 minute inverse gap, 1 minute change of state. I think it tapped it already. So let's see if we even get this. Okay. Place order. Okay, in. Okay, moving down. Had this unfilled 15-minute gap. Yeah, probably it's gonna be a break-even trade. Yeah. Okay, good thing we went break even. Okay, so ES actually, or NQ wants to tap this hourly gap. Okay. This looks like a pretty obvious fake out to the downside. Okay, so definitely just looks like manipulation to the downside. Okay, let's see if we get a trade to the upside. Okay, so no trade, but it's gonna get moving quicker. Okay, boom. Exactly right. Okay, currently now 11 a.m. Okay, so just start to see price now move as well. Okay, as we are now expanding. So let's see if we get any retracements. Okay. Okay, so retracing down to the downside. Okay, 1 minute or 1 hour just open, and we have a 3 minute right here. Ideally, if we want to close above this. So, currently playing around with it, and now we get the close that we wanted. Okay, stop above here, and scroll in the 4 hour, and looks like we want to target these highs. Okay, so boom, place order. Okay, let's make sure there's no, so there's S&T at those highs. Okay, so now we want to watch out. Okay. So far, a whole lot of nothing, and I guess we want to turn bullish again, and yeah. Okay, so clear rejection of the S&T, but that is the end of the day. So nothing that I liked. Okay, swept out this high. Okay, today's Thursday. Bad movements, wicks everywhere. We swept out this low. Okay, ES is coming to this 4 hour gap. See if it wants to come lower to that gap. Okay, tap that gap. We now have SMT here. Okay. Okay, have a nice 1 minute model. Okay, it doesn't wanna. Okay, let's see, we have a 3 minute model, 2 minute model. So we do have a 1 minute model right here. Let's see if we tap it. Stops below here. Could target all the way over here. Give us more wiggle room for our stop loss. And yeah, let's see if we get filled in the first place. Okay. Okay, in. Okay, break even would be now. If we want to continue lower, we would manipulate into this 15 minute and move down. So ideally, I don't want to be in the trade no more. If it does that, and it does that, so got break even hunted. Okay, can't do anything about that. Very just unlucky. Well, I could have done better. I don't know. Just break even hunted me. Okay. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. Okay. Gotta follow my rules. Like I said, 15 minute gap. If we want to continue lower, we would want to go break even so we don't get stopped out. Protect risk, and ideally, I got break even hunted. Okay. So that's that. Let's for the next day. So 2 break evens. Crazy dumb. Cool. Okay. Manipulating up. Okay. Crazy move up. Okay, manipulated one more time. So accumulation, manipulation, crazy dump, rebalancing, possibly 50% of this initial dump. Okay, yeah. So ideally, you can agree that we're bearish. Sorry. Okay, so in for continuing up. Okay, to move down. Want another sweep to the downside, as I won't have a model to enter on. Currently just a bunch of wicks. Okay, manipulated one more time. So if we want to come lower, we would inverse this gap and just climbing back up. Very poor price action. Yeah, I'm not liking anything right here. Okay, as you can see. So that's that. I doubt so immediate rebalance. Okay, so this price action is it's identically reminded me of current time right now. So yeah, good practice, I guess. But as you just see, no retracements, generating liquidity, not sweeping it, actually just moving up. Yeah, a whole lot of nothing. Just dipped forward, and I doubt we get a retracement. And yeah, okay. And then at 4 p.m. when markets decides to close for the weekend on a Friday, we get a dump. NQ is just a rage baiter, bro. I'm gonna be honest. So clearly bullish. Currently a Monday. Let's see if we get a retracement. Okay. So ES is stronger as ES is coming upon this high. Okay, so see if we can manipulate lower. Okay, manipulate it into 30-minute. Okay, do move up. Have this 1 minute change of state we're about to come across upon. Okay, closed above. Stop below this high or below this low. And honestly, we don't need all this leeway, as this should be a pretty, what the, why is my tool so small? Anyways, and no retracement. Okay. So, last video we had good price action. Now we have the complete opposite. Okay. So yeah. Yeah, no retracement at all. So nothing I could do about that. Trying to find a W for this video, so let's see what we do. Okay. So we're generating low resistance liquidity to the downside, but considering we're at all-time highs, shorts just never tend to play out, and you always just get manipulated before the actual move happens because it's so obvious. So ideally I would like to go short, but we tapped into this hourly gap and we're having a bullish reaction to it, very clean and obviously. So go with the trend. You have your sweep of the sweep. Okay. Inverse 1 minute. Okay. And we have our change of state. Okay. Now let's take a look before I actually enter this trade on the outside. Okay. Now that I'm looking at it, doesn't look the best, as we're coming across this 3 minute gap, but we are in this hourly, and first time it retraced into a higher time frame gap since this initial move up. So we should move up. So I'm going to take it. Yeah. Let's see if it even changed states. And yeah. Okay, changing states. Place order. Whoa. Place order. Let's see if it works. And no retracement. Oh, okay. Well, now I don't even want to be in the trade no more, as this is probably gonna be another L. Or not. Very weird times in the market. Okay. Is he gonna do it? It's gonna do it. It's gonna do it. Man, if you're getting into trading, man, don't. Just don't. Honestly, man. But of course, it is the hardest skill set to learn, so there's a reason for the reward of it. But man, bro, I personally do believe that there is a lot less. You know what? I'm not even. That is end the session before I just get yapping. Shitty price action. It's in my head. I can't escape it, honestly. It's just wow, bro. I'm really just second thinking, like, what did I get myself into, bro? And I've already seen crazy results, and honestly, I'm more than blessed. But is this what I want to do for the rest of my life? Stress on stress on stress, Like, I'm just imagining myself in this trade. That's whatever, man. A W is a W, but live markets are completely just beating me up. I'm not taking crazy L's. I'm not blowing my fundeds. I'm not doing it. It's just crazy. How? I don't know. Very low-key just lost. I'm lost in the market as of now. And it's probably the first time I've ever felt this way. So, if you stayed to the end of the video, little spiel. But yeah, I know I'm gonna look back, maybe 6 months from now, 8 months from now, a year from now, and I know I could look back onto this video and just be like, damn, yeah, Kareem was having a tough time, but he pushed through it, and now he's living his dream life. So yeah, little manifestation. For the bros, there's no going back. Way too in deep, and yeah, just let these tough times get over and go back to the good times that I know of. Yeah. See y'all later. Peace.